So hello everyone. Today I'm here with you again with a review of new generation pressure cooker. That is obviously stainless steel pressure cooker, but it's a tri-ply stainless steel pressure cooker. So in the left hand side, this is the new generation tri-ply stainless steel pressure cooker, and in the right hand side, this is old generation traditional stainless steel pressure cooker. So this is Doniv, actually Vinod Company stainless steel pressure cooker, which is tri-ply, and this is Prestige, which is very old and traditional pressure cooker. And Vinod has blue color gasket, Prestige has black color gasket. And here you can see that the blue color gasket is made of silicone gasket, so it's very long lasting. And the Prestige gasket, which is black color, it's a normal nitrile gasket, which is also long lasting, but as not compared with the blue gasket, which is very much long lasting, 5 to 6 years. But Prestige gasket is 1 to 1.5 years if on regular use. So today I am here to give you some brief idea about the tri-ply cooker and its pros and cons as compared to the old generation or traditional stainless steel pressure cooker. So here I am showing you that both are 3 liters pressure cooker. We know this tall tri-ply, and it's very tri-ply means the inner side is composed of stainless steel 304, which is food grade stainless steel inner side, and the middle one is the aluminum core, aluminum layer, and the outer side is 430 grade induction compatible stainless steel pressure cooker. For that reason, it's a tri-ply. Total body is made up of this tri-ply. Inner 304 and outer inner 304 middle aluminum core, thick aluminum core, and then outer 430 stainless steel metal. So for that reason, it's a even tri-ply pressure cooker. But as compared to the Prestige, the old generation, it's a 3 liter also, but it's a wide model. We know this is the tall model. This is the wide model, and here you can see that this is a totally uniform. Doniv is the name of Vinod in reverse form. Okay, so as I have told previously that it's a tri-ply, and in case of Prestige, the whole body is made of stainless steel, but the base is tri-ply, the stainless steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Only the base is the tri-ply to prevent the food from burning. But in case of new generation Vinod, the left hand side, this is the full body is totally tri-ply. So it's very positive thing for the new generation pressure cooker, that your food will not burn at any cost. Okay, and this is a Prestige. I am using it for 7 years, and this is very new, very new. The weights are very good in both of the cases, and both of the cooker are much weighty. You can go for that, the new generation Vinod pressure cooker, and what I want to say that the tri-ply pressure cooker in the left hand side, Vinod is the very good company and very renowned company in India regarding stainless steel cookware. So you can go for Vinod, but there are many companies who makes tri-ply pressure cooker, as because this is a very new generation pressure cooker. So very famous company like Prestige and Hawkins, they don't launch at this moment tri-ply model of pressure cooker, but they have launched tri-ply model of many cookwares like Handy, Kodai, and Tawas, etc. But you can go for that. And but the main thing is that the Vinod 3 liter tri-ply pressure cooker, it don't have any subsidiary handle. For that reason, it's a little bit tough when the cooker is full of food. So tough to handle when the cooker is full of food. But in case of Prestige, you can see that the subsidiary handle is there, and it's a good, and it's a wide model as compared to the Vinod. Both are 3 liter, but Prestige is much wider. Okay, so exactly. So, this little much taller than the Prestige. And the gasket is, which I have previously said, that's very durable gasket. You don't have to change for next 6 to 7 years. And the safety valves are compatible. Safety valve, which is a tri-ply pressure cooker safety valve, is compatible with Hawkins or any other local good brand safety valve. But the Prestige safety valve, where I can show that this is compatible only with the Prestige safety valve. So exactly. And spare parts are not available everywhere as compared to the Prestige, as because there are many shops which sells Prestige spare parts, and Prestige exclusive shops are there all over India. More than 500 exclusive shops are there for Prestige. But for Vinod, you have to find if any spares for if we want to change any spares. But safety valves are very commonly changeable thing in case of Vinod. It's not of any pressure cooker, but safety valve is compatible with Prestige. So compatible with, sorry, not Prestige, Hawkins and any standard pressure cooker safety valve. So you can go for that. Vinod is very good as per time consuming for cooking is very good. 2 to 3 whistles is enough, and Prestige is also good. Prestige is very renowned company. Vinod is also renowned company. You can have Vinod. So I recommend it, and showing you the both pros and cons of this new generation pressure cooker, that is tri-ply pressure cooker. And I have compared it with the old generation right hand side Prestige, that is old generation or traditional stainless steel pressure cooker, as compared to the new generation left hand side Vinod tri-ply pressure cooker. So you can have that. And please share my video, and subscribe my channel, as because your subscription is very much needed for the growth of my channel. So for the best, you would like this video, and this would be very informative video for you, I think, when you choose to buy some good pressure cooker made of stainless steel. So I am finishing this review here. Thank you. Meet you again.